Now let's talk about using D-ID, which is an incredible AI tool where we can take any kind of photograph of a portrait of a person and plug it into this software and actually make them talk and have their mouth synced up to specific words such as a script or an audio file. So let's hop into it. On the website, once you sign up, which is completely free, they're going to give you a certain amount of credits you can use right out of the gate. After that, you can upgrade your plan. But let's just first start with creating our initial video. So we have some AI presenters that we can use defaulted on the website. But what I want to do is add and upload an image that I created in Midjourney of this wizard. So I'm going to go ahead and click upload. What that's going to do is create a custom avatar that we're going to make speak. In the right column here, we can either type in or paste in our script, but what I want to do is take audio that we created using a different AI tool where we translated a script into an actual vocally spoken voiceover. So let's go ahead and grab that voiceover. I'm going to hit enter and upload it. Now we have our photo and we have our audio. The next thing I want to do is click generate video. It's going to have a pop-up window where it shows how many credits are going to be used, how many credits we have left, and then we're going to hit generate. Now it's going to go do its magic, and just like that, in a few seconds, we have our generated video. Let's see what our final product is.
Once upon a time, in a far-off land of magic and wonder, there existed a powerful tool that was said to hold the key to unimaginable power.
And there you have it. Just in a matter of moments, we were able to create this custom speaking avatar for our voiceover script. And from the screen, we can download it, share it online, or delete this file. Of course, you can refine this. There were a few glitches on the hat of the wizard in this specific scenario, but I just wanted to show this to you as a quick example of how cool this tool is and really the functionality that you can use it for.